Hey guys, look what I got. Woo! Okay, this thing's so cool. This thing, it's gonna make me paint better. All right, let's open it up together. All right. I thought that was gonna be a little difficult. It's a nice little box. All right. I like the saying on here, we met because of watercolor. Okay, hold on. That's so silly. All right, check this out. Beautiful wood. Look at that. Oh, it's got a little hole there. You can like put it on an easel. Can you see the hole? Yeah, you can see the hole now. Okay. All right. Whoop. Look at that. That is badass, right? That is nice. So you could put a cup here. And this is the little, mix the paints. Look how nice that is. And they have, all right, one's out already. Oh, okay. 2 of these sable brushes. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a number 8. It's this whole kit's a Fuumuui. Fuumuui? Okay, hold on. Here's this one. That was a size 8. And this is a size 2. Yep, a size 2. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Oh my God, it's so pretty. Wow, these feel really nice. These brushes are really nice. I do have a kit that it's 3 of them and they fit inside that just like that. But that's pretty cool, right? I'm gonna start by putting some Winsor Newton. Oh, it's gouache. Yeah, it's gouache, but it's white. You know how white watercolor sucks. I'm gonna put it right in there while I'm on camera. Boom. Okay, get in. Oop. All right. That's pretty, right? And then you could put a little paper right here. I mean, that's a really nice kit, right? Boom. Taking it to New Jersey with me when I go. This will be the little kit I take with me. Boom. It's magnetic. See? Yeah, I guess you can put a little Dixie cup in here. Wonder if I have a Dixie cup. Let me look over here. Let's see. Ooh, let's see if these work. These little mini cups. Oh shit, they work. Oh my God, it fits right in there. It's these little mini cups. You can get them at Walmart. They're what size are these? 50 cups. They hold, how much? It's the 2 ounces. The 2-ounce cups. Cool, man. That's like perfect. Put water in there. Paint. All right. I just wanted to open that up and show it to you guys because I thought it was going to be beautiful. And it is. All right. Well, thanks for watching. And hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.